Okay, so we got in over here. Reaction time I went lower than my goal, and so I actually got in at a bit of a premium. I might have wanted to get in at 14.50, and I got in actually at 12.50. But that's actually part of the strategy. Sometimes you can move your stop, you can move your entry a little bit lower um, than you would normally get in. So, and we got out at 3 ticks. Sorry, we got out at 3 points. So we made back our loss. I feel like that I can hear excitement in my voice, which is actually not good because we want to, a win is just another step forward, and we don't want to take too many steps back. We don't want to get overly confident. So there was some buying going on, and then the market pulled back. I thought that there was a chance to make a profit. We got in with a limit order, and almost immediately it took a few seconds later, it took out our target. We did have enough time to move our stop to +1, if I'm not mistaken, but it actually didn't even make a difference. If I would have gone in at the stop that I wanted to get in, then could have gone either way. Either I would have +1'd it, or we would have also got +3 points. So the thing that we have to do is try to wait for the market to make a strong move, and then try to wait for the pullback. That's what we're doing, and trying not to let our losses exceed our gains. And even if they do, not to be too worried about that. I'm saying this over and over again, and it's because it's something that I very much want to believe, and I believe that will help me to become a better trader. Somebody gave the advice on Reddit. I actually saw he said that just make two charts, to make two spreadsheets. One spreadsheet where you do all the trades you want to trade, and one spreadsheet where you make your losses limited to a certain amount a day. He actually said he had very wide stops, so we might actually consider that, to widen our stops, because we would have been up had our stop been widened. I mean, anyway, we're only going to lose a certain amount a day. So what's the difference if you lose it in one trade? What's the difference if you lose it in 3 trades? Heaven forbid. So we actually might consider to widen our stops. And he said that if you compare those two spreadsheets, where one you're just taking whatever trades you want, and one is where there's a daily loss limit, then you will see the two spreadsheets diverge, and the one with the daily loss limit he said, you'll be amazed at how much money you make. Other traders said small gains add up quickly, and also surprising how small gains can add up quickly. And also to all of us that have blown accounts or that have hit our prop firm stop losses, it's you can be making progress, and then one day it can just wipe everything out. So it would be much better just to make progress, and not have one day wipe everything out. So we're going to keep all of those things in mind, and we're going to wait for the next setup. All right. Okay. Also, we were able to get in. You can see 18 at 1875. We got out at 1925, so we got 2 ticks. So good for us. There was lots of reasons to think that market was going up. I didn't really find a great entry point, but and I was a little late to get in, to be honest. The market kept on like bouncing around between here and there, so I thought, let me just take very quickly what I could get. So that's what we did. We got 2 ticks. Obviously, we could have gotten more. We could have even gotten all this. Let's see. We got 3 or 4 ticks, at least 3 or 4 points. But better safe than sorry. And also just to inculcate in ourselves, look, like let's say we did get in over here, so, and our stop would have been over here, but look at this potential upside. So there's always a chance to make money back if we keep good money management skills, and we don't mind the drawdown, which we will hopefully not have and not let it worry us. And we'll try to be honest in our trading, because even though there's lots of things in this world that might not be completely 100% honest, but if we lie to ourselves and we lie to other people, then we can tell ourselves that we're successful traders, or we're almost there. And a lot of times we are actually almost there, but we haven't. But hopefully we're not going to keep on sound like a song speaking out heaven, but we're going to keep on making the same mistakes, right? We could be a few trades away from getting that funded account, and then we're just going to increase our stop loss to ridiculous proportions. That would cause us to blow our account, and then we'd have to wait another month when we could have just taken a loss, and in a week we could have been back to better than where we were. So let's try not to become cocky and start making fun of other people and their trading styles or their lack of trading styles. And let's, at least when I say let's, I mean I'm telling myself that I should do this, and this is the goal that I should reach for. Anybody's obviously free to do what they want, but to try to become better and to try to make steady gains. And when we have a good day, when we recover from a loss like we did today, so to not become very, very overly confident and not be cocky, but to be a man, or to be a person, or to be a strong woman or a strong man, or whatever it is that whoever's listening to this, we love everybody, and to try to not become sad if our goals are not met for the day, because hopefully in the long run they will be reached. Also, just in the interest of trying to make sure that I document everything and that I don't lie, I don't recall if it was recorded in the video. I did have one trade at the beginning of the day. My stop loss wasn't wide enough. The price went down past my stop loss. It took me out, but then it recovered, so we were actually on the right way. We were on the right path. We ended up with about 2 ticks. Minus commissions, it's a little bit less, because right before then we were up like 56 cents, including commissions. And then we got a 2-ticker trade, and then I took some more trades on Sim. So we're trying to practice, and we're trying to be great. And okay, love you all. Bye.